MidJourney used to have a free plan, but they removed it. Now people are searching for other free options that are similar to MidJourney. In this video, I will share my 3 favorite alternatives to MidJourney. I actually made another video before where I talked about 3 other alternatives to MidJourney. After watching this video, you can check out that one too by clicking on the I button. The first tool on the list is called Playground AI. After signing up, you'll be taken to a page with lots of cool features. On the left side, there are filters that you can use to make different types of images. There are so many filters to choose from, each giving a different look to your pictures. Underneath the filters, there's a box where you can write a prompt or description. You can even add a negative prompt if you want. At the end, there's an option called Image to Image, which is similar to another tool called Leonardo AI. You can upload a picture for inspiration, and the tool will generate images that relate to the one you uploaded. On the right side of the page, there are different models you can choose from. Below the models, there are settings for dimensions. If you scroll down a bit more, you'll find options for guidance scale and quality and detail. You can adjust these settings to get the results you want. Finally, you can choose how many images you want the tool to generate at once. Let's try it out. I'll write a random prompt and select the retrofuturism filter. I'll also choose to generate 4 images. When I click on the generate button, it quickly creates 4 images in less than 20 seconds. The results are pretty good. If you hover over an image you like and click on actions, you can do different things like create variations of that image, make it higher resolution, or even edit it in a canvas. Just like in Leonardo AI, I explained everything about the canvas and how to use Leonardo AI in the first part of the video. The second tool is called Bing Image Creator. You don't need Discord to access it. Just go to the website and click on Join and Create. Then you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to a page where you can create art. If you scroll down, you'll see some impressive art that was made using this tool. In the top right corner, there's a button that says Surprise Me. If you click on it, the tool will give you a random prompt to use for generating images. Then you can click on the Create button and it will make an image based on that prompt. You'll notice that there are 100 boost coins available. These coins are used to make the image generation process faster. If you run out of boost coins, the process might be a bit slower. After clicking on the Create button, you'll see that it generates 4 images related to your prompt, and the results are impressive. If you want to download any image, simply click on it and you'll get an upscaled version. There's a button you can click to download the image. Every time you click on Create, it will cost you 1 boost coin. If you run out of boost coins, you can still use Bing Image Creator, but generating images might take some time. The last tool on the list is called Instant Art. You can go to their website and the links will be available in the pinned comments. On the website, you'll see some art created by other people. Click on Get Started and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, click on the Generate button at the top. Here, you can type in your prompt to generate images and it's completely free. You can generate as many images as you want. Below the prompt box, you can even write a negative prompt if you'd like. On the right side, there are different settings that you can change. The first setting is for the dimensions of the generated image. You can adjust it according to your needs, but for now, I'll leave it as it is. Below the dimensions, there are different models you can choose from. You can even select the MidJourney 4 model to generate images that are similar to MidJourney, and it's completely free. Under the models, there's the guidance scale. I recommend leaving it at 9. And below the guidance scale, you can change the number of images you want to generate. I'll leave it at 2 for now. When you click on Generate, it will take some time to generate the images, but once it's done, you'll be able to see how good the results actually are. If you click on it, you can see detailed about the image you generate, and you also download it by clicking on the Download button on the top left corner of the picture. These are the best alternatives to MidJourney that you can try out. Make sure to check them out and share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel for more AI-related content.